Hey there, IdeaPlexers. Ever dreamed of having your own AI influencer? Maybe a digital version of yourself that can rake in $10,000 a month while you binge watch Netflix? Well, dream no more. Because today, we're diving into APOB AI, the platform that lets you create personalized AI personas faster than you can say robot overlords. From jaw-dropping avatars to lifelike talking videos, APOB AI is here to revolutionize your content creation game. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. So, whether you're a brand, a creator, or just someone who loves playing with cool tech, stick around because this is about to get wild. Alright, let's start with the basics. APOB AI is an AI-powered platform that lets you create custom digital personas, aka AI influencers. Think of it as your one-stop shop for building avatars that can star in your social media posts, marketing campaigns, or even your next YouTube video. The platform is super user-friendly with a clean interface that even my cat could navigate. And yes, I tested that. These AI influencers can be utilized across various platforms, offering a fresh approach to content creation. APOB AI offers a free membership plan providing 80 credits daily to users. Ready to create your own AI influencer? Let's do this. First, head over to APOB AI and sign up. They even offer a free plan with 80 credits daily because who doesn't love free stuff? Creating an account is smoother than my internet connection on a good day. Just sign up and boom, you're in. At first glance, the interface is clean, intuitive, and best of all, no annoying pop-up ads. The platform is designed for ease of use, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced creators. Users can generate AI portraits by uploading their photos or using the AI influencer generator to craft custom avatars, which can then be tailored to specific styles or themes. APOB AI provides a versatile and user-friendly solution for creating personalized AI influencers, enhancing digital content creation, and expanding one's online presence. Getting started is simple. By signing up for a free membership on app.apob.ai, you'll receive 80 credits every day to explore all the amazing features of AI product. Click on the Create Portrait Model button. Upload an image as reference, or you could create AI face using the AI Influencer Generator button. APOB AI gives you full control over your AI influencer's look. Choose from a variety of customizable features such as skin tone, hair color, and facial expressions. Once you've designed your ideal influencer, click on Generate. By using the AI Influencer Generator, you have the flexibility to tailor your content based on the latest trends, your personal style, or the preferences of your target audience, allowing them to explore and utilize the platform's features without an initial investment. For those seeking advanced functionalities, affordable premium packages are available, unlocking features like lifelike talking avatars, image-to-video transformations, and face-swapping capabilities. Start experimenting with different prompts, backgrounds, and styles to create a visual identity for your AI influencer that will captivate and inspire. After you've successfully created your AI influencer using the AI Influencer Generator, bring your virtual character to life with stunning images and videos that are sure to attract attention and followers. Use the complete set. Choose from a variety of preset backgrounds that match the theme you're aiming for. Build your own. You can select a background and style for your AI influencer's outfit, but most importantly, you can add your own prompt in the text box above to generate exactly what you want. Expert mode for total control. This advanced feature allows you to fully customize your image, using both positive and negative prompts to fine-tune the outcome. You also have the flexibility to choose the image's dimensions: 16.9 for wide shots, 1.1 for Instagram posts, or 3.4 for other types of media. Additionally, you can select the image quality to be either high or best, with best providing superior resolution for professional quality photos. If you want to fully customize the background, outfits, and poses, the Build Your Own feature allows you to input specific prompts to generate exactly what you want. You can integrate voiceovers to make your content more engaging. With the AI voice feature, you can choose different tones and voices to match your brand. APOB AI offers specialized modes: AI Girl, Boy Generator, AI Selfie Generator, AI Headshot Generator. It's like having a digital wardrobe for your face. Compared to other services, APOB AI offers a great balance of features and ease of use. As you can see, the generation speed is impressive and the image quality is top-notch. But like any good AI, it has its quirks. But don't worry, most of these can be fixed with a few more tweaks or just embracing the chaos. After all, who doesn't want a digital persona with a third arm? The AI influencer generator from APOB AI uses state-of-the-art technology to generate lifelike avatars that can be used for photo shoots, social media posts, and promotional content. The images are rendered in high resolution, ensuring your virtual influencer looks stunning in any setting, whether it's for a brand collaboration or a personal project. Building a successful influencer brand traditionally takes time, resources, and a dedicated team. With APOB AI, influencers can bypass these barriers by quickly creating realistic AI models at a fraction of the cost. Choose from comprehensive sets to generate images in various art styles, including trending styles, anime, LinkedIn headshots, nature, adventure, and Christmas. With APOB's talking avatar and image-to-video features, you can make your AI person generator come alive by adding voices, animations, and realistic movements. If you're a content creator looking to scale without burning out, this might just be your new best friend, or at least an AI-generated twin. APOB AI is a fantastic place to start. It's fun, it's creative, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing in digital content. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust an AI to run your social media? Ready to create your digital doppelganger? Check out APOB AI using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and share your own AI creations in the comments below. And remember, in the digital age, your imagination is your superpower. So, go out there, create something amazing, and try not to let your AI persona steal your online identity. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay digitally delightful.